A city born where the cold winds cry, under the endless Mongolian sky. Built on a dream in the year-long past, Ulaantaabar stands so steadfast. 1.6 million hearts beat slow through winter's fears and streets of snow. Since 1639 it's been alive, a frozen heart where spirits thrive. Oh, Ulaantaabar, you icy flame, coldest capital, you hold your name. Yet warmth exists in your frozen soul. Through the icy winds, your stories roll. Your streets are threads of a time-worn weave. Mountains watch over what you believe, a place where past and present meet. In every corner, in every street, the earth-lined hills and neon lights hold ancient whispers on winter nights. A city so cold yet burns so bright, a beacon shining through the endless white. Oh, 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 oh. Icy flame, coldest capital, you hold your name. Yet warmth exists in your frozen soul. Through the icy winds, your stories roll.
Let's go to the top.
Okay.